Are you trying to buy a home, but you need to sell your home first? We're covering 9 ways. Yes, there are actually 9 ways to buy and sell at the same time. Hey everyone, this is Aaron Kinn with eXp Realty, and if you're looking to buy a home, but you need to sell your current one first, we're going to cover 9 ways to make this happen. And just give me a call so we can chat about your options and that make the most sense for you in your particular situation. The first and most common thing people think about is making a contingent offer. Basically what that is you make an offer on a home that you want to buy and you say you're not actually going to buy it until you can sell your current home. This honestly only works if we're in a buyer's market and only a little bit in a seller's market. And sellers are just much more unwilling to accept that in today's current market because it's moving so fast and they don't want to wait on another home to sell before they can sell theirs. The second option is to sell your home first and then negotiate a rent back with the buyer of your home for a period of time. Sometimes you can do this up to 1 or 2 months. This gives you added flexibility and time to sell your home, search for and close on a new home. Now you might get some of that rent back for free, or you might have to pay for some of that time that you're in the house. We've helped several clients recently negotiate a free stay with a small security deposit. With being in this tight inventory market, the seller has a little bit more power to negotiate the terms that suit them the best. The third option is stay in a short-term rental after you sell your first home, and then before you close on your next home. This gives you anywhere from a few days to several months to buy your new house. With either the rent back or the short-term rental option, you can actually find a new home while you're selling your existing home and getting that home under contract and into escrow, and then close on that new home shortly after you sell your first one. You first need to wait until you close on your current home before you can close on the second one. This allows you to sell your home, unlock the equity, and then close on your new home. The downside is you need to move your belongings into a storage unit for that period of time you're in the short-term rental, and typically you'll pay an increased amount of rent by going on a short-term basis. This method brings us to the fourth option, which uses a similar strategy to finding your new home. Getting into contract on that home while under contract to sell your existing home, and then do what's called a double close. Basically, you simply close escrow on the same day for both homes that you're selling and buying. With the right escrow or title company, you can do this. However, everything has to go perfectly with both escrows to make this happen. We've helped hundreds of people do this over the years, and it does take a fair amount of skill and diligence on your agent's part, and hopefully that's me, to keep all parties informed and up to date and in a timely manner, but it certainly can be done, even in today's market. This brings us to a few other options that you can do that carry a little bit extra paperwork and maybe a little extra expense, but sometimes are easier and less stressful. The first of these is to obtain a bridge loan. The bridge loan is where you get a second mortgage for most of your needed down payment to go purchase that new home. Then you sell your existing home and you refinance all that into one mortgage. This allows you to buy the new home, move into the new home, then work on selling your original home. Now the complication here, of course, is you're paying 2 mortgages at the same time. It oftentimes is difficult for folks to qualify for both mortgages, and there are certainly some costs associated with this type of loan program. The second option of financing to make the move easier is to pull equity out of your current home using a HELOC, home equity line of credit. If you have sufficient equity, you can use the equity, put a down payment on your new replacement home. However, again, you're having to qualify for 2 mortgages at the same time. The next option, which I find often works the best for a lot of folks, is a home trade-in program. We have access to those, and they allow you to buy the home before you sell. So what happens is you qualify for the program through this home trading partner that we work with. They unlock the equity in your existing home so that you can buy the new home, and then you go and purchase your replacement home first, and then turn around and sell your existing home. Now, you don't have to carry both mortgages in this situation. You can actually get a rent back just like before. We can even couple it with a cash offer program and turn you from a finance purchaser into a cash offer buyer. And that makes you very competitive in today's marketplace. And you can get in your home quickly and with fairly low fees. The 8th way is to take advantage of our guaranteed sale program. This is a program unique to me and the Kinn team, as we are actually the purchaser of your current home, so you can go ahead and buy that next home of yours. The only criteria here is we make sure that we can both agree on a sales price that's beneficial to you and that can get your home sold. The 9th way is to actually not sell your home at all. You could buy a second home and rent out your existing home. You can count 75% of the rental income towards your income, helping you qualify for that second mortgage, and you can start building additional wealth through real estate. You can check out that recent video right here. Now that we have given you 9 solutions to that age-old problem, do I sell first or do I buy first or both? So what do you do now? Well, the next thing to do is actually reach out to me. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, send me a pigeon, send me a fax, whatever you want to do. Just get a hold of me and we can build your own custom plan, set it up on your timeline of what you want to do, and we can get you started with either selling and buying or buying first and then selling. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, like and subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell icon so it notifies you of new videos that come up every time we produce one. I do appreciate your time here. You be blessed, and we'll see you on the next video.